Oh shit! Alright, what you need to get started is easy. Just 5 chili peppers, 2 eggs for yourself, a cube of chicken broth. It looks like this. Also, they come in many sizes, it doesn't matter. It just gives your water a taste. And the most important thing is fish sauce. And then also, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take 5 chili peppers, Thai chili peppers, chop them up each in 3 pieces. There you go. Once you get that done, put it aside. And then you're gonna take 3 cups of water in a saucepan, put it on high. You're gonna take a chicken broth cube, if you don't have chicken broth already, more or less, and throw that in the water, wait for it to boil. Now you're gonna take 2 eggs, crack them in a mixing pot. And then you're gonna whisk it. Use a fork. That's what it should look like, by the way. Alright, so when the water's boiling, you got that chicken broth cube in there. Shit, it's hot. You're gonna smash it up so it gets well mixed in there. After that, you're gonna throw all your chili peppers in that you just cut up. Give it that spice. So it's boiling right now. Let it boil. Now, with that egg you got that you whisked, you can turn the water down low to where it's simmering. A little bit of bubbles, not crazy bubbles, like that. So you whisk. What you're gonna do is you're gonna stir the water around and you're gonna pour it in slowly. Keep stirring. The egg will cook. And then once it looks like everything is starting to become solid, you take your fish sauce right here. You take about a tablespoon of it. And this will give it the flavor. Stir it around a little bit. Not too much, because you could always add it on later. You don't want it too salty. Alright, so we finished everything, we tasted it, it tastes good. So what you're going to do is pour it in a bowl. If you have more than 2 people, you just get 2 bowls. I got teacups. More than enough for 2 servings. And that's that. Taste it, and that's it. That's easy. So, enjoy. Tell me what you think of it. And then if you want anything else I'll try to cook, leave it in the comments below. Later.